Okay, so I'm in a new Unity 2D project. I'm using Unity 6. Okay, first thing we want to do, go into our hierarchy and create a 2D object and square we're going to go for, because this is going to be our ground where we want our blood to hit. I'll add a box collider and reset the transform, and let's make it about, it's a bit too close, let's make it about 8. Why? Maybe 10. Maybe 10 will be nice. Okay, that's us done with our ground. Now we can right click on the hierarchy again to get started on our blood. Create a particle system, and first problem is it's going into the sky. We don't want that, obviously, it's blood, so we'll go straight to gravity modify here and set it to about 2 for now. Next, I'm going to change emission to, instead of rate over time, we want it to spawn in bursts. So I'll add 1 to burst, as you see. And we'll start with a count of 80. And we're going to do this every 2 seconds. Every 1 second, so we can just see it clearly. I'm going to lower the size because our particles are quite big, to about 0.3 maybe. Change the color if we want, not too important now, that looks a bit like blood. And next I want some gravity, because I mean some collision, because it's just going straight through our ground. So if you go down to collision, tick this, open it up, and we want the type to be world, and it's still not colliding. That's because our mode is in 3D. We want it to be 2D, and now it's colliding, but it's bouncing all over the place, which we don't want. So we'll just lower the bounce to about around 0.2. I think it's a good, yeah, it's about nice. That's nice. But as you can see, it's just very flat. It's just a straight line, which we don't want for our blood. We want it to be more of a burst, so we can go straight down to shape. Instead of a cone, we can do a donut, which will now be a bit more of a burst outwards. And the reason we can't see it very well is because of the speed. Let's increase the speed to around, let's say 12 for now. Let's try that. Okay, that's a lot nicer. Obviously we can increase the emission to around 100 or whatever you need. And yeah, you can even increase the gravity a bit, but play around with it, whatever you want your blood to look like. This is just a little start, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video.